Whoa, I just saw that flash when I was starting my video. Ridiculous. Coming up. Oh, that kind of hurt. Ouch. Where's Junior the cat? When did she be back? She's been gone like for how much minutes? Like 2 or 3 minutes. Hmm?
Get connected to the best wireless plans at Staples. Introducing the new Tim's credit card from Tim's Financial, rewarding your everyday purchases everywhere you shop. If your kid looks like this, or this, or this, you can redeem Tim's Financial provides access to credit and rewards for everyday purchases. Apply for the Tim's credit card now, only through the Tim's app, and get up to 5,000 Tim's rewards points. Conditions apply.
Whoa. Hey, Dad? I saw that flash really crazy. Dad, why is there a broken heater piece here? I just found it in there. Oh, yeah. Okay. We need a new heater. When did we have this one? Like a long time ago? Oh, my food. Thanks, Dad. Are you still watching TV, Dad? Ooh. It's kind of hot. I'm gonna let it sit for a while. And it's kind of too hot. It's gonna let it sit like for 5 or 10 minutes. Someone lost a dog. What store do you buy heaters? Dad, which store sells heaters? What about McMine and Yates? But McMine and Yates is burned down.
But they're still up and running.
Oh, they're still up and...
Burned down, their shop did.
Oh, their shop?
They were still able to save the store. Some of the
The firefighters did their job. I don't know how that happened. I don't know who started that fire. Oh, holy shit, I got lightning. I got it. I got it. And post this on my YouTube account and everybody will see it.
We've talked about it many times. We've had many categories on this show.
Hey, Daddy, did you make sure the other basement windows are closed? Because they don't want the... Whoa. Angelica's calling me, but I'm still filming my video, my storm video. It's messing me up. Hold on, give me a minute. Man, it's getting dark. Whoa. This is gonna get crazy again like we had on August 14.
The fact that he saved it and still didn't get the fact that she just cut this thing off. I love why he's going to jump at first like that.
Whoa. Now we got blue lightning now. First we had yellow, then blue. Hey, Dad. Hey, Dad, do we always get different colors of lightning in Thompson? But we don't have no tornadoes. Holy shit. Where do tornadoes live anyway? Very far. Texas. What about hurricanes?
Same place.
What do hurricanes do? Like, did they strong winds? And when there's do tornadoes like destroy everything? Destroyed houses, cars, and everything.
Just covered his face in blue paint. Where do you have it for reveals gone wrong? You know, why is it natural for an older brother to be a bully?
It's not raining. Oh my god. It's not raining yet. It will start raining soon.
The younger brother always ends up getting more attention. I don't know why. It seems like the younger brothers tend to come out cuter or something. I think Bobby's like,
Summer's over now. And now it's fall.
I think the older brother gets jealous of like all the attention the little one gets.
Yeah, it's not like your food should be nice and cool, my boy. It's gonna get too cold.
Oh. Okay. Hold on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's cooling down a little bit now. Oh yeah, it's cooling down a little bit. Maybe I should eat first and I'll get back what I'm doing. Alvin should be home soon, huh? He's been gone like, what time he left? He should be home like in a minute ago. Ooh. Dad, did you not expect that was coming? When you're at home? Thunderstorms. It's still partly cloudy. But it will change into thunderstorms around 9:55 or 10:05. Mom works tomorrow, right? Mom works, right? Tomorrow at the hospital. Last day of work. And you're done till Monday. Oh, you're home on Monday? Okay, good, because I need someone to watch me. I don't want to be all by myself. But you'll be you said Tuesday, but you'll be back Monday. You'll be on home off Monday. Does Mom go back Monday? Or she's off till Tuesday? Oh. Jesus! Holy smokes. Got that one. Holy smokes. Got it. Dad, did you see that flash? We just heard it.
Can't hear flashes.
Like when we see them? Let me see. Still got spaghetti. I'll have spaghetti for lunch tomorrow. Yeah. Oh yeah, Angel will be back here. She's at home. I film this video for my cousin tomorrow and my auntie. I'm gonna go back tomorrow. Hey Dad, is Auntie Marlene your friend too? It's just a taxi.
Treat yourself to fall with Tim's Pumpkin Spice Lattes, crafted just for you. Freshly ground espresso beans alongside frothy steamed or iced chilled milk, infused with delicious pumpkin spice. Choose hot or iced and make fall your treat. It's time for Tim's. Introducing the new Tim's credit card from Tim's Financial. everyday purchases, everyday shop. Apply for the Tim's credit card now, only through the Tim's app, and get up to 5,000 Tim's rewards points. Conditions apply.
Whoa. Got that one. I might see it from my room. Or, yeah. What was that? I heard a ringing noise. It's not my phone. Is it your phone, Dad? We must be juniors. Junior's phones rings like that when not mine doesn't. It's gonna start raining soon.
Welcome back to Ridiculous Minutes. You know, look, I've done a lot of car stunts in my day. You know what I mean? Drifted cars and race cars. I've done all the cars.
Ooh.
Either of you ever wanted to do some stunt driving yourself?
Wanted to? Probably when I like look at certain videos, certain things. That'd be cool. But I always think about dying. Or I stay away from it.
Hey, I'm like, I know I'm good at racing, but like, I don't want to take the risk of dying.
Yeah, me either.
It's like, why do you put yourself in a position? I've done so much and dodged all the bullets. What am I trying to do at this
When you
point?
jumped that car that one time, I was.
This is Chico.
Six what?
Yeah, I was like, why is he doing this?
Yeah.
Like, for what?
That was the one where I was driving there like, this is so dumb.
Yeah.
I really shouldn't be doing this.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Whoa.